We are all one people. These borders are artificial. We are all one people. I was in Rwanda 2 weeks ago. There's a restaurant called Inyoni. Inyoni. In Rwanda. What does Inyoni mean? It means the same thing in South Africa as it means in Rwanda. Bird. Ask them, go to Katanga, ask them to tell you the languages, the names of things. Those are the same names we have in South Africa.
What Dudula is doing is, frankly, in my view, bordering on racism. Because it is going out, identifying people illegally. How does it, what power does Dudula have to verify papers of immigrants?
Hey there, folks. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone talking. We are gonna break down what Patrice Motsepe and Mmusi Maimane have been saying about Dudula and the idea that Africans are one people, just separated by borders. It's a juicy conversation, so grab your popcorn and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Patrice Motsepe. This guy's a big deal in South Africa, a billionaire businessman and philanthropist. He's been making waves with his thoughts on African unity. Motsepe's been saying that we need to look beyond the lines on a map and see the bigger picture. He's all about bringing Africans together, regardless of which country they're from. Now, Motsepe's not just talking the talk. He's been putting his money where his mouth is, investing in businesses across the continent and promoting Pan-African cooperation. He's like, hey, we're all in this together, so let's act like it. It's pretty inspiring stuff, right? But hold up, we can't forget about Mmusi Maimane. This dude's been making some noise too. As a prominent political figure, Maimane's been vocal about the need for African solidarity. He's been calling out the Dudula movement, saying it's not cool to be targeting fellow Africans just because they're from different countries. Maimane's been dropping truth bombs left and right. He's like, look, these borders were drawn up by colonizers. They don't define who we are as Africans. He's been pushing for a more inclusive approach, saying we should be focusing on what unites us rather than what divides us. Now, let's talk about this Dudula thing. If you're not in the loop, Dudula is a movement in South Africa that's been causing some serious drama. They're all about pushing out foreign nationals, claiming they're taking jobs from South Africans. But Motsepe and Maimane are having none of it. These two leaders are saying, hold up, wait a minute, we're all Africans here. They're reminding everyone that before there were countries, there were people, and those people shared cultures, languages, and histories that go way back before any borders were drawn. Motsepe's been using his platform to spread the message of unity. He's been saying things like, our diversity is our strength. We shouldn't be fighting each other. We should be working together to make Africa stronger. And you know what? He's got a point. Maimane's been backing this up, calling for policies that promote African integration rather than division. He's been pushing for easier movement between African countries, more trade, and more cultural exchange. It's like he's saying, let's tear down these walls and build bridges instead. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some serious challenges to overcome. You've got economic issues, political differences, and yeah, some deep-rooted prejudices to deal with, but Motsepe and Maimane are like, bring it on. We can handle it. They're not just talking about some kumbaya, hold hands and sing kind of unity. Nah, they're talking about practical steps to bring Africans together. Things like investing in infrastructure that connects different countries, promoting African languages and cultures, and creating opportunities for young Africans to study and work across the continent. And you know what? People are starting to listen. More and more Africans are getting on board with this idea of Pan-African unity. It's like a movement, y'all. People are starting to see that we're stronger together than we are apart. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, Motsepe and Maimane are reminding us that at the end of the day, we're all human. We all want the same things, peace, prosperity, and a chance to live our best lives. And they're saying that the best way to achieve that is by working together, not against each other. It's a powerful message, and it's one that's resonating with people across Africa, from Cape Town to Cairo, from Dakar to Djibouti. People are starting to see the possibilities of a united Africa, and let me tell you, it's pretty exciting stuff. So there you have it, folks. That's the lowdown on what Patrice Motsepe and Mmusi Maimane are saying about Dudula and African unity. It's a big topic and there's a lot more to dig into, but hopefully this gives you a taste of what's going on. Remember, we're all in this together, so let's keep the conversation going and keep working towards a brighter future for all Africans. Peace out.